beautiful people. Hope you're doing well and hope your week is going well. This is your midweek motivation, your midweek inspiration. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever and whenever you'll be watching me. Hi, I'm Carol. I'm originally from the Caribbean. I am a young widow, a grief recovery specialist, and I'm a proud digital business owner, and I help and empower other young widows and individuals who want to start life over again and living life to the full after loss. So this morning I was listening to one of my favorite, I call him my YouTube mentor and podcaster. She's dynamic and she's empowering, and we were talking about what is success. And she was talking about success being in its simplest form is just faith expressed in action. So as we all know, faith without works is dead. It's great to have a faith, and you want to have your dreams and your hopes to be alive. But if you don't take that step, if you don't take action, what is the purpose of you having that faith? And without it, you won't have that success. So you really have to have that mindset to take action and have that start. You must be in that state and that mindset of faith so that you can be successful. So as a successful digital business owner, I just want to encourage you. We are nearing the end of the calendar year of 2024, and I want to invite you to our complimentary workshop that is held every Tuesday and Thursday. Your first step is by registering with your name and email address on my website and listen to our complimentary workshop on how you can learn or how to start your very own digital business, whether you want to do it part-time, full-time, as a side hustle, or just something to supplement your income. That's fine with you. So from day one, when you sign up, you're assigned a mentor and a coach. So that is so amazing. We have access to weekly millionaire masterminds, drop-in sessions. When you start this business, it is a digital marketing system that we have, similar to that of a franchise, that we give you all the resources that is needed for you to set up and be successful. So we have a global community that you'll be a part of, and you're not alone in this business. We're here to support you so that you can thrive and have that time and freedom that you so desire, and start living that lifestyle that you so wish or have dreamed about. But as I said, if you want to be successful, yes, you need to have that faith, and not only faith, but you need to have that action as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, reach out to me. As I said, your first step, your first action is to register on my website with your name and email address, and then I'll send you an email of what your next steps are and how you can get started, and watch our complimentary workshop. It gives you all the information on how you can get started, and you'll be able to hear firsthand from people who are in this business. They're up to date live testimonies each week on a Tuesday and Thursday of how they found the business and how they're currently doing. So if this is something that you would like to do, reach out to me. I'm here to assist you and guide you along your journey of becoming a successful digital business owner, so that you can start living life on your terms, having the time for your family and doing the things that you love. So for me right now, I am traveling. I'm still in Portugal, and I am just so excited that I can take my business along with me wherever I go in this world, given that I have a sound internet connection. So if this sounds like something for you, reach out to me. I'm here to help you along the way. So remember, success is faith expressed in action. So how is your faith, and how are you going to act upon this information I have given you? Hope to hear from you soon, and do have a wonderful, successful week.